Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact freeze problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click here on this bar to open task manager. Maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, click more details and then click memory. Now make sure to close all the applications that you don't need and the applications that takes a lot of your memory like Google Chrome. As you see, just right click on it and click in task, and after that just go back and close applications from this one here, and also close all the applications, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.